Okay, hi guys. Show you how I edit, but it's kind of bad. So I would just be editing. You can follow the steps. If you did not catch very much because I'm very bad at explaining, like mostly, you can just listen again. And I'm sorry if you cannot hear some words because like before I reviewed the other video to see if it was okay before I published on YouTube, it was like just like lagging. Okay, yeah, there it goes again. It's just lagging, then I cannot hear out the video again. Okay, I'm very scared when it's lagging. I'm just scared that again. Just no, not again. I find here so lagging. But if I that I don't want places here, eyes first. After that, you add another layer. You add another layer and you edit. Now before that was just the shadow thingy. Right, it's just my thingy, like when you crack it. So okay. So then you select this one, more like color bar, or even add. But I would just use color bar. It matches. My parents watching. Oh my god. I can't concentrate like this. Then why is it so weird? That erase some. I don't know if the IBS paint is like this. Then I just parents are watching. Like not very. Like, then you come back here. You put her. Then do this. Okay. I hope this just doesn't. What the heck is that sound? The next. I would know those going in. Cause I'm the last. And then you add another layer. You put. You can just follow what I do. I'll make a Vietnamese version for my Vietnamese viewers, because sometimes they do not understand, like do not. So that's why I had my I'll just make the paintbrush bigger. I will try to not stick. I just move the thingy. Why is it always like that? I just hate it. Okay. You add another layer. Then you edit the clothes. But okay, I will not edit the mouth or even the hair because the hair is white. I cannot edit with the hair white, and I don't want to editing tutorial because I'm very bad at hair tutorials. I only have like some hair ideas. You just hand things accessory if you it just I'm with death. It's stuff like okay, maybe like this is okay. Then tea. It's like this. Hey, it's not too bad. Okay. Then I just like mess the editing up. I don't follow what step is. It is. Then I select this kind of just have to move a little bit. Move. Then you make the I use. Okay, then I found. Then now you have to find. Yeah, this one, but I did not find it. Okay, then you use the pen fade. And I just go like. Okay. Dude, what the heck? Dude. Okay. I don't know what's literally happening right now. Even bruh, why is this still recorded? Maybe I should do some. Yeah. Go. Get your club out. What the heck is up to? Okay. This to make keep that aspect. I'm gonna what? Oh my god. What? No, no, no. Don't come in. I'm recording. Okay, shut up. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Like, I snuck on my room. Like, stay God. No. Okay. Now, get a little bigger. Help. Now I'm back with drink. I just I don't do the thingy that is like this. This is how it goes. I'm sorry if it's yours. Yeah. It's just sick. But it will be very hard. You have to add that, but do the music on another to kidding me right now? Okay, just no. Give me time. I just that the horrible opacity, and that's not too bad. I have no sense of editing, but then after that, make blush, but I don't know of kind of blush I use. Okay, maybe I'll use dark color, not color burn. Then I just a boom or maybe just a city. That are done. Do this. If I'm very bad at stuff, stuff. Then I add another layer. Add. Then I make the cup. I just hate it. Then make it a little bit dark, a little bit lighter. Maybe this one is okay. The pens. What the hell? Okay. Maybe I should have made it like this. Okay. I think it should be. Just okay. Add another layer again. Then make it dark again. I don't remember. Okay, and you select. Maybe you could. Okay, this is fade. Yeah. Okay, maybe later I will make a blood. Okay, I'll make this. I don't do this. It might turn out. Then the last layer, I make the eyebrows. Then you use maybe love pen. Then okay, wait, this is okay. It says too low, but I rate it from 1 to 10 how I did. Anyways, this is the end. Bye guys.